Hello guys, today we are going for a new trip. We are going for a hike to the top of Monchique. So let's go. We are going to Monchique. 12 minutes left to the top of the mountain. So let's see where we get. We are now in the city. It's a pretty nice village, pretty small, nice people. And here we have the bar, the Velo Chic. I was there also in April, very nice bar. They have everything for cycling tourists, so very nice. And just look to the left here. Also, there is a bus. Okay, let's go. And then here we have to go to the left again. So yeah, we have to drive a little bit in the city center now, and then we can go to the top. Oh, we're going up here. Hello guys, we just arrived at the Monchique top. There's a lot of satellites here. I think it will be fucking nice to climb some. But man, look at this view here. You can even see the sea. You can see Portimao, Lagos. There I see an airport. There I see Albufeira. It's pretty nice. Yeah, you have an overview of all the Algarve. Look at this, just there, Portimao, Lagos, Albufeira. Here there is like a kind of a viewpoint, and you can just see everything here. A big rock that we are going to climb, and there we can see the view better. So yeah, it will be a difficult climb. Check it out. But I think we will be fine. We are really fit guys, so why not? Hello guys, we are here at the restaurant. Really nice place. It's like a local place. Lots of local people here. So yeah, let's see what food they have here. So guys, we just had our meal. It's dry bread with butter. No, just kidding. I ordered something locally here from Monchique. So I'm pretty curious. Let's see what it's all about. So guys, we just have our food, and it looks really nice. It's some pork steak from Monchique. Matthew, what do you have?
I have the chickens. Matthew has the chickens, delicious.
Grilled squid.
Squid, it's like inked fish. Very nice. So guys, we just ate the food. It was really nice. My stomach is full, and now it's time to go back. I hope you all enjoyed this vlog, and peace out till the next one.